How to send a document using template. Go to Documents. Select Signers from the drop-down button. Import template if you already have created one, or click on Add New Template. Add document, document name, and document category. Select number of signers you want placeholder for in the template. Click on Location. Select Signature type. The location icon will now turn green. Select Finish. To use this template, then click on Use. Select the signers and observers. Click on Submit.